What's going on, Essentials crew? Today we're going to be going over audio and setting up your microphones. As the famous saying goes, audio is half the viewing experience. It is super important to have clean audio for your video. I would go as far as to say that audio quality is more important than the quality of your video. Let's get started. So starting off, there are 3 microphones that I will be walking you through getting set up and using today. The FTF condenser microphone, the Hollyland Lark M1 wireless mic, and the Rode NTG shotgun mic. Now there are a lot of great microphones out there. This setup guide should still help you even if you don't have one of these 3 in particular. I'll also be switching around to each one of these different microphones throughout this video so you can hear for yourself how they each compare. Alright, future me here editing this video, I wanted to quickly let you know that all of these audio files are completely unedited and that this is just how the audio sounds straight out of the microphones. This is where you can get the best comparison of all of them. Anyways, with that said, let's jump back into the video. So starting off with the FTF condenser mic. This is a condenser mic, which means in order for it to perform at its best, it needs to be really close to your mouth. Now this goes for really any audio capturing device. The further it is away from your mouth, the more background and ambient noise is going to leak into your audio. For the condenser mic, I recommend anywhere from 4 to 10 inches away from your mouth. Now this microphone is directional, so you do need to talk into the front of the microphone, not the sides, the back, or the top. Now on the front, you have a gain adjustment. This microphone only works via USB, so you will need to record it through your computer, then match the audio with the video in post-production. A quick tip to make this really easy is just to clap right after you start recording. Now I use either OBS or Audacity to record audio through my computer. Now the FTF mic comes with 2 different stands. There's this main base one that just sits on your desk, and then there's this boom arm which is adjustable and you can place it wherever you prefer. However, I do recommend that you use this shock absorption mount either way to help mitigate any thumping noises from your desk. Next, let's go over the Hollyland Lark M1 wireless microphone. It is so simple, there's no wires, it embeds the audio directly into the video, so there's no need to align it in post. Simply plug the receiver into your camera, clip the transceiver to your collar. I sometimes just hold it. Same goes with this microphone as well. I try to keep it relatively close to my mouth, anywhere from 6 to 10 inches. As far as recording modes, I don't recommend using the noise canceling option. It tends to be a bit choppy. This comes with 2 transceivers, which means you can actually record 2 different people at the same time, either together or in separate left and right channels. Then you can just split them in post, which allows you to adjust them individually. And then finally is the Rode NTG shotgun microphone. Now this is designed to be very directional and capture audio a bit further from your mouth. I still recommend keeping it as close as you can, anywhere from 8 to 24 inches. I've used this mic handheld as well and it works pretty good for that. Now this microphone has a few different settings and modes. I typically just record with a simple low pass filter and then just set the volume to whatever seems to be optimal. Another perk to this microphone is that you can record either directly into your camera via auxiliary and embed it into your video, or you can record it into your computer via the USB cable. To summarize everything, you want to keep the microphones relatively close to your mouth. Error on the side of keeping them a little bit quieter than louder. You can always bring up the volume later, but you can't really recover if it peaks out. Pop filters are good. They help reduce pops and other noises coming from your mouth. A useful tool is Adobe's Podcast Audio Enhancer. This does tend to crunch the clarity slightly. If you do enhance through that, I do recommend bringing up the mids and the highs a touch in your editing software. Now I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know.